Good morning, good morning. Let's get that ass up. Let's do some day trading, peoples. Let's do some day trading. Grumpy Trucker, good morning. Let's see if we can make some moolah this morning. Matthew, good morning, Matthew. One more minute before the market opens, guys. One more minute. MB Trucker, good morning. Can you come here and help me shovel snow? Not today, Grumps. Not today. You're on your own, buddy. I think everybody's stuck in snow, huh? Oh, shucks. Wow, what a dumpster. What a dumpster. Look at that, guys. Gold on strong uptrend. Oh, is that right? I tried trading metals. But I always come back to NQ. I'm either trading NQ or YM. That is them are the ones I always come back to. Well, let's let it do its thing, guys. Let's let it do its thing, and because on the 15 minute, it is an uptrend, but it's barely the second candle or third candle. But let's let it do its thing. Let's let it do its thing. Hold on, guys. All right, we're back. That's 7-6. So 7-9. I mean, we have a small gap to cover. I think it is going to cover that gap, guys. I think it is going to cover that gap. But we got 20 something seconds on that candle. I can't. Let's see how this other candle turns out. Let's see how it turns out. New candle coming up. It's just taking its time getting up there. That's what. So, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. The 15-minute, we have this gap right here that needs to be covered. It looks like it's on its way to cover it, but the pace that it's taking, it's got me a little leery. It's got me a little leery. 20 seconds. Yeah, we just wait on it, guys. We just wait on it. Not a big deal. Okay. Yeah, it filled the gap. It filled the gap. The gap was at 799. Yeah, it filled the gap. It filled the gap, guys. That gap right there. It filled that gap right there. You guys can see the wick is up there. So we would have been filled, but it's alright. It's okay. It is okay. It is alright. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Again, we're only doing one mini. One mini. That's it. That's all. Let's see what YM is doing, guys. Oh, yeah, YM's doing the same thing. Just about the same thing. Oh, what the hell? I can't trade gold on my funded futures? Oh, what the hell? I guess not. I guess not. What the hell? Oh, man. I don't want to trade gold anymore. And just some consolidations. Consolidation. See what we're gonna do. Let's see what we are gonna do. Yeah, 15 minutes not. Everything indicates an uptrend. That's the 5 minute. There's the 15 minute. So everything's indicating up, up, up. $8.47. Okay, so we have some more stuff. We have some more stuff. We have some more stuff. Okay, so we'll know for coming up here to cover this gap right here. $8.39. Well, I try to break, but not a very good break. It broke off the top of the 5, but not a very good break. I think today's gonna be another one of them days where we have to have patience. We have to have patience. The 15 minute looks body, wick on the top, wick on the bottom, about the length, same length. The wicks, that tells me it hasn't decided which way it's gonna go, you know. So the 5 minutes got the same looking candle. Wick in the middle, body in the middle, wick on the top, wick on the bottom, about the same length. So it's trying to decide which way it's gonna go. Yeah, I think today's gonna be another Friday where we have to hold our patience. We have to hold our patience and wait for this market to do what it's gonna do, and then get in on a trade. 846, 845. So somewhere up here, if it bypasses that, then it's gonna cover that gap I was telling you guys about. But it is breaking out of the 5 minute high. If it gets to 847, we want to be leery because the sellers are up there. And we shall see if they're going to sell it back down or they're going to push it past that point. So, just in case you guys are wondering what am I looking at, this is the 30 minute. Looking at this big old gap right here, but the wick filled up to here, right? So I'm thinking it's gonna cover this. So I'm hoping it bypasses 845. 847. If it bypasses 847, then it's gonna cover this part of the gap. So 847, 848 to 864. That's what I'm looking at, guys. What the hell, trade of 8? What the hell? Huh? What the hell is this? God. It's kind of drunk driving there. Trying to find my pattern. I mean my lines. Alright. Well, it didn't get to 47, guys. It's okay though. It's okay. Will it be coming back for the retest now? 15 is building a doji. Okay, 15 is finally there's still no clear signal on the 15 and the 5. Well, could it be coming back for the retest, guys? Could it be coming back for the retest? I mean, now that it's gone past the 15 minutes, uh, we do have this big old gap to cover, right? So it does have something to push down for. But other than that, I'm just not getting anything clear yet. So 847. It still has ways to go. But if it hits 847, it's gonna go on a long. Let me see if I can see anything before that. I don't see anything before that. Wow. It came down. It came down for the test. Now it's breaking again. Well, who knows? We might have another one like yesterday, guys. Remember? Trend, consolidation, trend, consolidation. Let's see. Like yesterday, like Friday, I mean. Sun's finally coming out. Let's see how's that gold looking now, Matthew? Well, the gold is looking just like NQ. What the easy. Okay, guys. Well, we are almost up there. I say 47. 47, because the 15 looks like it is. It's a long. And the 15-minute time frame. Let me show you guys. Let's see. So it is gonna. It looks like it's a. I mean, right now it's undecided. Again, wick at the bottom, wick at the top. But if it bypasses this wick right here, yeah, we're looking at a small trend up. First hour time frame. It broke over 5K, all-time high. No sellers above. Oh, shucks. Good stuff, Matthew. Good stuff. Hell yeah. Good information to know. Okay. Alrighty. Come on, Bati. But if you guys look at the overall picture, the bigger picture, it is on a uptrend, guys. It is on an uptrend. $847. let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is who's gonna win on days like this. People that are patient. People that can that can jump on a straight trend, because the market will do this to us and do a whole bunch of consolidation and then finally break. Okay, we're almost at 8:47, guys. 40 seconds left on that candle. Again, if it breaks that, I think we're in for a good little long. 30 seconds on that candle. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I might jump on a long right now, guys, depending on what this next candle looks like. Got 13 seconds left on that candle. The candle does not have enough time for me to jump in right now, so here comes the next candle. Well, it's hesitating, so no, we don't want to jump on a candle that's hesitating like that. I mean, it did break through though. It did break through. So we are there. 8:48. 8:48 to, I say 8:61. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Me personally, I'm just thinking patience, patience. Okay, guys, this is the 15-minute. This is the 15-minute for me. Okay, this candle right here, wick on the top, wick on the bottom. It's undecided. Doesn't want to know which way it's gonna go. This one that's building right now, it's lagging. So this is the 5-minute. All wicks on the top right here. So it's not really telling me nothing right now. I can't give you a read right now because it's kind of in limbo. It hasn't really taken a direction to me. But let's wait to let's just wait. I think the winners today are the ones that are gonna have patience. So let's be some of them winners, guys. Let's be some of them winners, and let's just wait. Sit on our hands and wait. We'll get it. We will get it. Anybody see that Rams game and Seattle game yesterday? That was I didn't see the whole thing. I only caught the last 2 minutes of it. Of course, I was going for the Rams, but that was heartbreaking yesterday. That was heartbreaking. I betted my grandson. My grandson is he's going for the Seahawks to win the Super Bowl this year. Yeah, he got me yesterday, but that was a good game, a really good game. If you ask me, that was the Super Bowl game right there. That was a really good game. It was intense. It was intense. Well, what are we doing, Market? What are we doing? See the 15. The 15 is finally taking a direction. Look at this. If it pulls back and then goes up and makes double top, going for a sell. Okay. Yeah, but the 15 is finally taking a direction. Okay, so we got the wick at the bottom, body on the top. So that tells me it's a long, you know. Same thing on the 5, wick at the bottom, body's building on the top. That to me tells me it's a long. So am I gonna go into a long yet? Not yet, not yet. You just gotta be a little bit more patient, a little bit more patient. If it pulls back and then goes up, it makes double top, going for a sell. Okay, if it pulls up, no, if it pulls back and goes up, makes a double top, going for a sell. Okay, alright. Let's see what he's saying. Okay. Meaning buyers are exhausted. Okay. It's doing a whole lot of consolidation right now. It's doing a lot of consolidation. It's okay. It's all right. We are gonna be patient. We are gonna be patient until the market shows some good trends. In the meantime, I'm gonna go for a smoke break, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back, and it still hasn't done nothing. Still consolidating, guys. There's nothing to get into. Let me help you guys out. From here to here. Just consolidating, guys. Nothing to get into. God damn it. 33, 33, 34. Okay. My lines are freaking going away. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Freaking trade of 8. No, I don't think I have to mark that one dark because I don't think the market's gonna go all the way down there today. But we'll see if it's coming back for the retest, guys. We'll see if it comes back for the retest, which it looks like it might. $15 is showing a dump. But that candle right there, it's telling me it's undecided, you know? Wick at the bottom, wick at the top. And that's what it shows me. That's what it tells me, you know? That one, when the body's building on the bottom, the wick on the top, telling me it's going to keep dumping. Average true range is $377 from open. So that's kind of our playing field. Good stuff, Matthew. So we'll see if it breaks through here because the buyers own this little zone. So we will see. We shall see. Nine seconds on that candle. Because the new candle. Oh wow, that's strong right there. That is strong. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Come on. Again, I don't want to get into anything here because all this is just, this area right here is just consolidation, guys. So it's not giving me a direction, you know. So even if it comes up here, to me it's just not, if it doesn't make good, if it doesn't make new highs, going for a sell. Good stuff, good stuff. But yeah, I think I'm looking at the same thing Matthew is. So if it doesn't break above this, then it's gonna stay in this range just for a little bit. So I'm gonna be patient and wait for it. Wait for it. $15 just made a new candle. It's not new, it's 20 seconds left. I mean, into it. But it's just undecided. It's undecided right now. That's the 15 right now. It's undecided. So don't let it trick us out, and let's just wait. Let's just wait and see what it does. Let's hope it breaks or it comes all the way to the 5, to the bottom of the top of the 5, and then we'll take a trade then. Right now I'm just not seeing any kind of direction. Right now I'm just seeing a bunch of consolidation. So I have two charts up, guys. I got 15-minute on this side, and then I got the 1-minute on this side. So if you guys see me looking at both directions, that's what I'm doing. And we have 1 mini on this. One mini. I'm gonna try to stick to 1 mini and see if we can make this account crawl. Wow, it's almost up there. It is almost up there. $8.55. You got 4 seconds left on that candle. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, guys. I'm going to take a long.
Order filled.
4 points. 4 points. 4 or 5 points. Something like that. Just to put some money in this account this morning. No sell, Matthew says. Okay, well, let's see what this candle does, Matthew. I'm ready at the trigger. I'm on the trigger, so If it comes back down, then I'll close it out real quick. Them candles right there are nerve-wracking. I swear to God. Them little candles that Trader Bay puts on there, you're like, what the hell? What the hell is that? That's not even a doji candle. That's a, I don't know.
Order filled.
Okay, we got $100 off of that, so not bad, not bad. Not bad. Okay, so do we cover that gap, guys? Do we cover that gap with that little candle? Let me see. I mean, I can, yeah, we cover that gap, guys. We cover that little gap. So, what else we have? We got really nothing up here. So, shucks. So we just wait for the, I guess, the retest to come back down, I guess. Yeah, we don't have nothing else up there. What the hell? I mean, unless we come way up here to cover that, to cover this right here. I mean, we're here right now to cover this, but it's kind of tough. It's kind of tough. It's kind of tough. I guess we're just gonna have to do some scalping again, guys. Just like Friday. Just a little bit of scalping. Cause it really, I mean, 15 is showing long. Look at 15. Let's see the 5. The 5 is also showing a long, no wick at the bottom. But it's just crawling. It's crawling right now. It's not really giving us a direction, guys. Not really giving us a direction. I mean, there's nothing up there for it to go up for, you know? Let's see. I mean, 893, saying 893, and then it'll keep pumping. Okay, so 848. Shit, 848 is way down there, way down there. doing some consolidation again. Consolidation. Let's be patient, guys. Let's just be patient. Let it do what it wants to do. Let's try not to force nothing. Yeah, 15. Show you guys what I'm looking at. 15 is really not doing anything. I mean, it's trying to build the wick on the top. So let's see what the 5 is doing. Yeah, the 5 is saying it's a dump. It's a dump. See, it's got the body, no wick on the top. So it's showing me that it's a dump. 1 minute is a dump. But we'll see how far down it comes down to, because I don't know, guys. I don't know. "20 seconds on that candle. Two seconds left. 2 minutes left on the 15. I got a net in here. So yeah, look at, see this candle right here, body on the top, long wick at the bottom. Them candles right there tell me it's a long. Yeah, the 15 is showing the 15 is showing a dump, guys. Long wick at the top, bodybuilding on the bottom. It's showing me that that's a dumpster. It's a dumpster. 40 something seconds on this thing. Well, it's having a hard time bypassing this consolidation here. Okay, so let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Is it going to be another slow climb? Or is it going to be a dumpster? No need to rush a trade, guys. There's no need to rush a trade. Just wait for the market to do what it's going to do. Let it tell us what it's going to do. Don't try to guess it. Let's just trade what we see. Trade what we see. See the 15. The 50 might just be covering this candle right here. It might. I mean the wick. It might be just covering this wick right here. We'll see what it does. Oh, shucks. Oh. But again, it's trying to do something in this consolidation area right here. Okay, so be patient, guys. Just wait and see what it does. We got the 5-minute high up here. We're not too far from it, so let's just see what it does. Let's see what it does. So let me help you guys out. So there's our consolidation right there, guys. Okay, so it's trying to fight who's going to take over, the buyers or the sellers in that area. There's no need for you to get into anything. Just wait. Just wait. Wait till it breaks out on either side. Either it dumps or it pumps. And it looks like it's gonna pump. It looks like it's gonna pump, guys. Yeah, even the 15 looks like a pumper. Like a pumper. 43 seconds left on that candle. I should have jumped in. But kind of leery about it, so I'm gonna wait. Wait. But I should have jumped in, guys. Should have jumped in because, see, so what it's gonna do, it's gonna cover this wick. It's coming up to cover that wick. So we could have got a little bit off of it. But it's okay. Let's wait. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Got 46 seconds on that candle. get out the way because I don't want to erase my 5 minute high line. So one thing about Trade of 8, you just can't erase a single line or a single box or whatever. And that's why I say Trade of 8 is not really draw friendly. So you got the body on the top, long wick at the bottom, and look what the market's doing. I just think it's gonna come right here to the top again. This is the wick on the 15, so let's see what it does, guys. That's a strong candle, though. That was a strong candle right there. Here comes the new candle. That's a real strong candle right there. So just keep in mind, guys. If it comes up here, remember, sellers are in control right here. Okay, why? Because they brought the market back down. Okay, the buyers brought it up, consolidated it, and then the sellers brought it back up. Okay, so look at here, consolidated. Buyers are bringing it back up. Just be aware of this area right here. Okay. I mean, 15 is showing a slow climb. It is a very slow climb for the 15 minute, and it's trying to get up to the top of that wick, but it's just it's not a doable trade for me yet. So let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait. Have some patience. The top of that area is controlled by the sellers, so let's just wait. Let's see what happens. See if we can get another small little scalp. I told you guys Friday that. Fridays and Mondays, yeah. I need to scalp this market because this is what it does to me. It's not really a trend for me to jump on. But Matthew, you read the freaking market perfectly. That's perfect. That's pretty good. Your analysis are on point. I think today, whoever has the most patience is the one that's gonna come out profitable, because it's pretty hard. 30K for Trading Academy courses. I would hope so. 30K, what the hell, Matthew? Oh, shots. Wow. Yeah, me and my wife, did we go to, I think we went to a couple of seminars. Uh, the one in Irvine, went to that seminar, and then we went to their course for, I think it was 3 days. But after the third day, it kind of it kind of turned me off because they were already throwing hints, that we were gonna have to pay for another course that was gonna take us to a higher level and all this other time and all this other stuff. And once they started dropping them hints, I told my wife, man, this is crazy. They're just gonna keep milking us and milking us. Uh, we've never touched the charts, so they put us on TradingView for about maybe, I don't know, half an hour, if that. But they weren't. I mean, our first, second, and third day weren't really like educational. So after the third day, I was like, nah, we're not going back to that crap. They're just milking us for more money. So we never went back. They called us, but yeah, we didn't go back. So everything else that we've learned from here, from YouTube. Caught it short on double top. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, that is a double top. 1, 2. Yeah, right there. Good stuff. Good stuff, Matty. I'm not gonna lie, Matthew. I'm not even trying to trade this stuff right here. I'm not even trying to study it, because I need to see a trend. I need to see a trend on the upside or the downside. Yeah, that is a small little trend, but the way I'm looking at it is just consolidation in this area, and I'm not trying to trade that. Break above or break below, I could see that. But good stuff, man. Good stuff. Hell yeah. Lifetime classes. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good, Matthew. That is good. For 30K, hell yeah, they better give you lifetime. That's a lot of money. The 15-minute is finally showing a dump. Look at the 15, guys. Look at the 15. The 15 only has 31 seconds left on that candle. So wick at the top, body building on the bottom. That tells me it's going to be a dump. Let's go see the 5. The 5 is pretty much consolidation. Consolidation, trying to either dump past this or go right back. So just having a hard time bypassing this consolidation. This is pretty much the ground for the buyers, because they're not trying to bring the price any lower than this. All of this from here all the way across Bunch of consolidation, guys. Bunch of consolidation. So be aware of that. Be aware of that. Oh wow, look at that candle. Nice, nice. Buyers stepping in big time, big time. Twenty something seconds left on that candle. Okay, here we go back up. Remember, sellers own this area right here, guys. Sellers own this area right here. So be aware, be aware. If you are in the long right now, just be aware of that. I mean, that was pretty good from 40 to 67. Yeah, 17 points. That's pretty good. That was a good pop. I think we're gonna play in this area for a little bit, guys. In this area right here. So it might be getting ready to make a move. Make a move up to the longs, up to the upside. That's the way I see it when it does like wick. Yeah. It's either gonna dump or it's gonna take big push to the upside or to the downside. That's pretty much my warning. Wick, wick, wick. Like you guys see up here, 3 wicks on the top, liquidate. Okay, same thing here, 3 wicks, and then it dropped. So it could be either or, on the downside or on the upside, but that's when it's trying to make a big move. Nine seconds left on that candle. Let's see what the next candle looks like. Something seconds left on this candle. That was my area of interest, 890, to go on a long. That's why I got my mouse right there. But we'll see what this next candle looks like. We will see what this next candle looks like. Here we go.
Order filled.
And then I'm gonna sell it at 905. 905. But I'll keep my finger on the trigger, just in case it reverses on me. Just in case. Get up here, up here, up here, up here. Come on, NQ. Get up here. Up here, come on. Come on, buddy, up here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, it's hesitating, guys. It is freaking hesitating on me. They're trying to fight for that area. They are trying to fight for that area right now. I'm gonna close it out.
Order filled.
I lost that $100. I gave that $100 right back. Son of a biscuit of a son. But I want to put a buy there, and then the sell there. So I'm gonna put a limit order at 901 and sell it at 910. Just so I can get my money back. Because I do believe it's above this consolidation right here. And it already did its fight in this area. So I think the next step is gonna be a push up. Kind of hard to explain it because I'm looking at the 30 and yeah, I think that's oh shucks, 20 something seconds. No, don't feel me yet, dude. Don't feel me yet. I'm always looking at the timer of the candle. If it's under 26 seconds, I don't wanna get filled. Here comes the new candle. Yeah, I think that's doable, guys. I think that's doable. 901 or 910. Let me take that off real quick. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Okay. Okay, so it bypassed all this already. So now it's getting to up here. So I'm at 900 or 901. 900 right there. So I'm here. So I'm hoping to go up to 910, which is right above that wick right there. Can you guys see that? Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Okay. So it bypassed this already. So right now I am 903. Well, somewhere right here. Okay. So I'm above this right here, right now, right? This is what I'm hoping for, 901, 902. And then come up here to cover this, or just to cover this wick right here. That's what I'm looking at. But no, the 1 minute says, shut up. Nope, I'm not going up there. Well, we got some consolidation right there, guys. So it's struggling to get through there. It's struggling to get through all this right here. This consolidation right here. Can you let us make at least $500 today, NQ? Just $500. That's all we want. That's all we want for today. $500. Did I wake up, NQ? Look at that. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock Pacific time. So what did I say? 9:01, 9:02 to 9:10. 11 seconds on that candle. I don't want to put it right above that wick. I want to give it a little bit more room if I'm gonna get into that trade. But I am pretty confident that it is gonna bump, guys. It is gonna go to the upside. It's just a matter of us waiting for it. Because just like Friday, look, it took off from the 5 minute opening. So let's remove that because we're not gonna see that. We're not gonna see that bottom today. It's gone. It's history. We'll go to 8:30, guys. We'll trade up to 8:30. It's 8:02 right now. But if I can make $500 before 8:30, then we'll call it a day. But that's the goal for today is to make $500. So I'm back at $500. I had taken 100 earlier, but I lost this last trade and gave that $100 right back. So let's see if we can get this. We can get $500 for today before 8:30, and then we'll call it a day. If not, it's okay. We'll just call it a day at 8:30. Here's the 15. Not too much. Not too much movement, guys. Not too much movement since the opening. But patience is what's gonna make us profitable. So let's be patient. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let the market do what it's gonna do, and then we will jump in on whatever it's doing. Just consolidation right now, guys. Consolidation. The 15 ain't even going nowhere. Yeah, 15. 15's stuck like Chuck. Stuck like Chuck. That's the 5. It's not. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. Don't get excited. Just leave it alone. Let it do what it's gonna do. Yeah, nothing, guys. Nothing. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at this. Nothing. What the heezy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 minutes just going sideways. Wow. That's crazy. I mean, there's really not much to do. There's not really much to try to do. Just wow, this market today. I just want 500. Come on, NQ. You can give me 500. I'm not asking for much. Okay, so 900. 900 is the top. But will it go to 900 and bypass 900? That is the question. What in the world are you doing, NQ? Or is it time for break over there in New York right now? mean, the 15 is, I mean, it's showing that it's gonna go on an uptrend, but it's not. It's just crawling. It's crawling right now. Why, NQ? Why? Give us a direction, will you? What are you thinking, Matthew? What are you thinking? What are you looking at? Talk to me. Let me see what YM is doing right now. Oops. I put Y in. Oh shit. YM is doing exactly what NQ is doing. Jesus Christ. Which is nothing. Let's go back to the 15 here. It's just a whole bunch of consolidation, guys. A whole bunch of consolidation. Look at that. That's not good for anybody. So I think we're just waiting for a good reaction right now, either a dump or a pump. So let's be like the quarterback and just wait for the hike. Yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna stay on the board till 8:30. It's 8:13 right now. I'll stay on until 8:30. If I don't get nothing, I don't get nothing. Not a big deal. It would have been nice if I would kept that 100 and not gave it back. But it's okay. We will we'll make up for it tomorrow. But right now, like you can see, this is all all consolidation. It's gonna take a reaction. It's gonna do something big. It's just we just have to wait for it. That's all. We just have to wait for it. picking up my trash right now. Hold on, guys. Let me go get my trash can out of the street. Be right back.